This video will show you how to replace the Mopit 4 belt. You will need a 1/8, a 3/16, and a 5/32 Allen wrench, and a 7/16 socket. Use your 7/16 socket to remove the belt cover. Use your 1/4" Allen wrench to loosen the 2 motor screws. Use your 3/16 Allen wrench to loosen the motor tensioning screw. Squeeze the belt to loosen the motor and remove the belt. Put the belt back onto the pulley. Make sure that the grooves in the belt align with the grooves in the pulley. Use the 3/16 Allen wrench to tighten the motor tensioning screw until the belt is tight. Tighten the 2 motor screws. Replace the belt cover. Call the 800 number on your dashboard with any questions.